Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you went the wrong way.
Oh.
You went the wrong way. Turn around. Yeah. Let's take two. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are looking at potentially a new house, a new property. So before we go into it, make sure you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, leave any questions down below. Let's get straight into the video right now. So here we are, guys, at this house. What I'll do is I'll film some stuff as we go round, and I'll do a little voiceover, see what you guys think. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this place. It's quite nice. It's like a 4-bedroom detached house. It's a brand new build. I think it's a little bit out of my price range, but I'm gonna look anyway, just to get an idea about what this sort of money will get you in this area. Here there is plenty space for, like, there's my car. There's plenty of space for kind of like 2, 3, 4, probably 4 cars, and then one in the garage, which is crazy. I probably only need spaces for 2, and then people will join. As you can see, it's like, exactly, it's new. What we'll do is I'm just gonna go around the back as well, because the gate is open. So if I just go down here, again, what do you think, guys? Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. We've got like a side entrance. There's me. There's some stuff. Comes with hose, which is also good. Kitchen. Now this is going to be awesome. So from the pictures, this looks insane. Really nice garden area, nice patio area. Check this out. So you see in there. You can't really see that well, but it's a really nice kind of air. Oh shit, that's really wet. Have a little look. There's the back. There's the upstairs. Nice little area we can have there. I can't wait to show you inside. The pictures look incredible. So yeah, I can't wait to see that. Right, so this is the entrance, which is pretty cool. Really nice wide doorway. On the right, basically this is like a lounge area. Which is pretty nice, pretty sizable. Loads of kind of plug point stuff, stairs, bullshit. This is the main part of the house we're looking at. So the main thing we're looking at is for like a really nice open plan kitchen. Really light and airy, double doors at the back, something similar to that. Now this is, in terms of the quality, this is probably the best we've seen. As I said, it's a brand new house. I did find it was a bungalow beforehand, and they've just kind of they tore it down and built it again. But this is the big selling point for this house. Like the garden, I'm not so fussed about. It's this sort of living area that is really the big thing, and that's what we're really looking for in a place. Nice thing is that everything's brand new. You see all the plugs over the fireplaces and stuff like that, which is awesome. So could be like a good entertaining house. Let me run upstairs. I'm not going to show you all the rooms, but they're pretty big. It doesn't really do it justice, but there's 2 kind of really large double rooms. One which is a massive room, and then this is like a master bedroom, which is just ginormous with an ensuite, which is really cool. So yeah, I really like the place. It's just very, very big, very, very big. So guys, what do you think of the house? I want you to let me know. Like I said at the beginning, this is potentially quite out of my price range. I've been speaking with the accountant over the last couple of days to figure out the true cost of living in a place like this. Is it best to do it by myself, or is it best to run it through the company? So I'm basically speaking with her over the next kind of week or so to really assess how much this would be a month, because the list price per month is $2,900 a month, which is a lot of money. And if you think about it, really, when you want to actually pay for it and you bring that money into your personal account from your company account, first of all, you're going to be paying 19% corporation tax on any profits you make, and any money you take into your personal account is going to be from profits. So it's 19% gone already. Then you need to basically pay your personal tax, your income tax, which is for this going to be something like 40%, because of the amount of money that you'll be taking into your personal account. It'll be about 40%. So really, the $2,900 a month is actually going to be a lot more than that. It's going to be near enough double, so nearly $6,000 a month. We did ask the guy if there's any room for negotiation. He said, hey, you might as well ask. So I'm going to do that. Again, continue to speak with the accountant. The main thing I want to do is try and work out how I can afford this, rather than figure out if I can afford it right now. It's how can I afford a place like this? How can I start more income streams? How can I elevate the ones that I've got at the moment, particularly with things like affiliate marketing, Amazon, and personal branding, that I can afford something like this comfortably. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is this too ridiculous? Is it too much? For me personally, at the moment, I think, hey, it's probably a little bit on the too expensive stage. Hang on. On the too expensive stage, but I will be looking at other places. Let me know what you think, and of course make sure you are subscribed. Leave any comments, questions down below, smash that like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.